our way up north to the north part of the island near Princeville and Nepali Coast. Baby Suds is sleeping, and so we just wanted to take advantage of some nice car nap time. This right here that you can see behind me is the Hanalei National Wildlife Refuge, and you'll see a number of rice fields surrounded by gorgeous mountains, and you'll notice roosters. Roosters are the bird of Hawaii.
Just had a pretty delish lunch provided by the Taro Juice Co. They don't like to film, but if I take pictures I could tag them, so that's nice. And so you saw the dish I got. It was a pretty delish dish. Over here at Wishing Well Shave Ice, where there I got this banging coffee thing. And the party's pretty bumping. But you saw sleeping in the car.
I'm here at Postcards Restaurant, which according to the book is a vegetarian's paradise, but unfortunately it is closed due to the floods. So we were actually driving down 56 and started seeing road closure signs. It seemed like there were still cars going, so we're assuming that's local traffic, but my understanding from the locals is that the North Shore is closed.
Postcards is a vegan pescatarian restaurant that has like very unique high-end culinary treats on all different levels. And we've had people from the Clintons eat here to Julia Roberts, every star you could imagine. It's one of those hot spots for, you know, really good thing. We have a wine bar that's really like, we have good wines.
So they're closed now. They are repairing from the flood damage.
Yes.
And you're reopening? We are reopening
the 15th, I think, is Friday, next Friday.
June 15th. So those of you who are lucky, unlike us, and are in Hanalei on the north side of Kauai, please visit Postcards.
We're at the National Wildlife Refuge here. Peeping some sick views. Birds everywhere. It's a sick refuge. Not for sick birds. Like sick in the good way. Humans don't have enough rights nowadays. That does look like a lighthouse, but I've seen lighter. It actually looks pretty heavy thinking about it now. Check out all those penguins. Yeah, maybe not. But from here, they could be penguins. You don't know. Maybe you do. Cost of entry is $5 per person, which seems to me like a lot to preserve all this, but I guess you gotta pay it. It's a great value. And it's good. Alright. Yeah. Looks like our daughter's taking off. Let's go get her. When you're sick of eating out at restaurants, try a home-cooked meal. Complete local ingredients, except for the fresh mozzarella, but local lettuce, local lychee, not local pasta. Naan has to have shredded cheese, and I forgot to get it. So I just cut up some fresh mozzarella. And look at this fancy salad dressing. Very Hawaiian. Not too shabby for a night in.
We're Naan Challah. Let's adventure out into the world. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button for new videos every week.